Welcome back to Subconscious Thinkers. Today, I want to talk about something that might shake up the way you think about manifestation. The law of attraction alone is not enough. I know that sounds wild, but if affirmations, visualizations, and vision boards were all it took, then every single person would already be living their dream life. So today I'm going to show you the missing pieces that make manifestation finally start working, the parts nobody talks about. And if you really want to understand what's blocking your manifestations, I'll tell you about a free mindset reset quiz later that gives you a personalized answer. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us reach more people who need this message. And don't forget to turn on your notifications because we drop a brand new video every week and you definitely won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's begin. Here's the truth. Most manifestation advice leaves out you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you feel safe to receive. You can repeat affirmations all day, you can write your goal 55 times, you can spend hours visualizing. But if your nervous system and identity don't match what you're calling in, your mind will ask for it while your body pushes it away. Manifestation doesn't come from desire, it comes from alignment. And alignment isn't about thinking positively, it's about creating inner safety, inner capacity, and inner identity that match the life you're calling in. Let me explain. People focus so much on big goals, but big goals don't manifest. Systems manifest. Want abundance? You need the system of how you treat money daily. Want love? You need the system of how you regulate connection. Want peace? You need the system of how you deal with stress. Most people try to manifest a new life while living inside the systems of their old life. Your systems tell the universe, this is who I am and this is what I expect. Small habits, small routines, small steps, these build the structure your manifestation can land on. Visualizing a house doesn't build a foundation, systems do. Now, here's the part almost nobody talks about. Your nervous system controls your manifestations more than your thoughts do. Think about it. You can want abundance, but if your body feels unsafe with wealth, you'll sabotage opportunities. You can want love, but if closeness triggers fear, you'll disconnect emotionally. You can want success, but if your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, you'll feel overwhelmed and freeze. Your nervous system is always asking, is this safe? Can we handle this? Should we open to this or close to this? When your body says unsafe, your manifestations can't land. Not because you're failing, but because your body is protecting you. This is exactly why so many people feel stuck even after trying everything. Your mind wants the new reality. Your nervous system still belongs to the old one. Here's the deepest layer of manifestation identity. You manifest from who you believe yourself to be, not who you say you want to become. If your identity is, I always struggle, nothing ever works out for me, I don't deserve good things, I'm scared to lose what I gain, then you'll unconsciously act in ways that prove yourself right. This is why identity shifts are the real manifestation work. When your identity becomes, I am someone good things happen to, I am someone who receives easily, I am worthy of stability, love, and abundance. Your energy changes and your reality follows. Identity comes first, manifestation comes second, always. So if you have been visualizing, journaling, affirming, meditating, scripting, doing shadow work, and still nothing is changing, you're not doing anything wrong, you're just missing the deeper pieces. Small systems, nervous system safety, identity upgrades, these three things are what activate the law of attraction. And if you want to know exactly which one you personally need to work on first, there's a free mindset reset quiz that makes it super simple. It takes 60 seconds and tells you what's blocking your manifestations, what your nervous system needs, what identity pattern you're stuck in, and the fastest way to shift your energy. If this video helped you understand manifestation on a deeper level, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. It truly helps us reach more people who need this kind of guidance. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you're the first to know when our next video drops. We release a new video every single week, and you won't want to miss what's coming. Finally, if you want to take the next step in your journey, don't forget to take the free Mindset Reset quiz. The link is right below in the description. Thank you for watching, and remember, your transformation doesn't start with your thoughts, it starts with the safety and identity underneath them. See you in the next video.